Hey everyone, how you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely well. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. Today in a video I am just going to tell you my English speaking journey. Do you really think that my English speaking journey is very simple, very easy? No, not at all. My speaking journey is very tough because I don't have like to practice English speaking. I don't like to read books. I don't like to read English newspaper. I don't like to watch English content. I don't like to watch English news. I don't like to watch anything English. So it is really tough for me. But how can I manage? So in this video I am going to clear and telling you what is the best way that you can start your English speaking journey and how can you follow these steps to learn English speaking. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into the video. First of all, just try to understand if you really want that you can be a good English speaker. If you really want, if you have really a aim of that, you just need to remember one thing. Whatever the situation came in front of you, you don't need to quit. I know initial stage of learning English speaking, it is not easy for anyone. Whatever you are, whatever the level of your English right now, I don't know. But I am telling you, if you are starting your English speaking journey, so many times you have a mind, you have some thoughts that I have to quit because it is really tough. Learning English, it is really tough for me. I can't speak English. I can't be fluent while speaking English. I just want to tell you, when you overcome this problem, when you overcome to stop yourself to not to quit, I will definitely telling you that you can learn English speaking. Whatever the situation came in front of me so many times, I feel that time that don't need to practice English speaking. Why I am learning English speaking? Why it is really important to learn English speaking for me? I just want to tell you that if you really want to speak English, you have to create a challenge. You have to make yourself a aim that I have to be fluent while speaking English. I have to learn how to speak English because so many times when you are in your initial stage of learning English, so many times you are thinking that I don't need to practice English speaking. I can learn English speaking without practice. I am very good with vocab. I am very good to understand English. But it is not easy. If you really want to speak English, if you really want to speak English like a butter, like a crisp, just remember that there is only one way that you have to practice English speaking. And what I have done, I am just going to tell you. Initial stage of creating a reading habit, it is not easy for me because I don't like to read books. But I know that if I can create a habit of reading books, it really helps me to learn English speaking. It really helps me to put something English content in my mind that really help me while I am going to speak in English. So what I have done, I am just taking a book and I just read a one page in a day, only a one page in a day. I know it only one page reading in a day, it is not also easy for me because I don't like, but I am trying every time while I need to learn English speaking. So I just start from very small steps that really help me to understand that what is the way that you have created a habit of reading. And I am just telling you one more thing. I don't like to read English newspaper. I don't like to read any English content, any movies, any channel. But I just know that if I am creating a habit of reading, writing, and listening, it really helps me to improve my English speaking. So every single day, I am not talking about so many time. Every single day, only 5 minutes. I am just try to create a habit of reading. I am just try to learn English. I am just try to watch English content. I am just try to listen English content. That really small steps give me chance to practice English speaking. That really small steps give me so much confidence that I can speak English. But initial stage it is not easy for me, but I am not going to quit. I never think that I have to quit, because I have a aim that why if other person is speaking like very fluent in front of me, why I am not? I am also capable for that. But what I have to do, I just need to remove my hesitation. I just need to build a self confidence inside me. That is the way I can speak English with in front of anyone, because of so much practice English speaking. So to start your English speaking journey, you just need to set a aim, set a target that whatever the situation came in front of me, I am not going to quit. I can practice English speaking every single day. I just try to create a habit of reading. I am also try to learn English speaking. I'm always also try to observe, to listen so much English content. That really helped me to improve my English speaking. And one day I will definitely speak English. I will definitely speak English very fluently. And everybody going to praise me that whatever the situation came in front of you, you never give up and you did your 100%. You give your 100%. That is the reason now you are standing in front of us and you are speaking like a butter, like a crisp. So that's in all in this video. I hope that you like my content. If you have any query, any suggestion, comment me. I will definitely give you answer. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.